For Los Gatos, California 95030 residents experiencing a water heater breakdown, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is a great option. The business is well known for offering excellent water heater failure services. Are you looking for water heater near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. How do you prevent water heater damage? To prevent water heater failure, regularly inspect for leaks, flush the tank to remove sediment, check the pressure relief valve, and set the thermostat to 120 degrees Fahrenheit to avoid overheating. Scheduling professional maintenance with Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment in Los Gatos, CA, 95030 can help detect and address issues early, reducing the risk of damage. How do I maintain my water heater? To maintain your water heater and avoid failure, set the temperature between 120 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, flush the tank annually to remove sediment, and inspect the pressure relief valve regularly. Also, check for leaks or corrosion around the tank. Where is your service area? The communities of Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose are among the California towns that Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is happy to serve. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, CA 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa Cruz Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/